Okay, this is test number 2 of the sugar water experiments. We're going to use apple cider vinegar today. There's a lot of info online about apple cider vinegar and how it can reduce blood sugar spikes. So I'm really curious to see if this is going to work. Yesterday I took exactly 39 grams of sugar and put them in a glass of water. I wanted to spike my blood sugar intentionally so I could set a benchmark for the rest of our tests. Wow, that was sweet. So we're going to take the same 39 grams of sugar and put it in a glass of water today. But before I drink this sugar water, I mixed 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in with a full glass of water. And I'm going to drink that beforehand in hopes that this is going to minimize my blood sugar spike. And I do understand that these tests aren't exactly scientific. There are a lot of variables that affect your blood sugar levels. But with all of these tests, I'm starting on an empty stomach after a 14-hour fast. So I'm really hoping this does something to minimize that blood sugar spike, because yesterday it really made me feel terrible. Let's give it a shot. Here's the apple cider vinegar first. All right, now let's do the sugar water. All right, so it's been 2 hours since I've had the apple cider vinegar and the sugar solution. Let's have a look at the glucose monitor and see the results here. Wow, this is really interesting. When you compare today's result with the apple cider vinegar to yesterday's result without the apple cider vinegar, there is a clear difference between the two. Yesterday, there was an increase in my blood sugar level by 3.1 points. Today, with the apple cider vinegar, it only went up 1.5 points. That is substantial. And here's the best part. I do not have any of the symptoms that I had yesterday without the apple cider vinegar. Also, this is really important to note that everybody will have different results. These are only my results. But for me, this is really good news, because if I know I'm going to be having a carb-rich meal, I can always have some apple cider vinegar beforehand to minimize that blood sugar spike. Stay tuned, because we're going to do the same experiment with a fiber supplement and with walking.